What happens when you get repeated exposure to high particulate matter in the atmosphere? You breathe in these particles, and these particles, one will stay in the lungs, and they actually creates sort of black marks around the lungs, which you can see visibly. In fact, because we operate on the heart every day, we can see the difference between people who are living in more polluted areas than the people who are living in the mountains which are less polluted. So you are seeing the black streaking of the lungs. That means that carbon deposits into the lungs and it doesn't come out, it becomes permanent. Then also what it does is it blocks the exchange of gases from the atmosphere to the blood. So oxygen transmission across the membrane of the lung becomes obstructed. So the lack of oxygen in the blood causes damage to every organ, including the heart. So that is why it is important that we understand what particulate matter does and what the gases like H2O and NO, they do to the body. And put together, they are very toxic to the human body, especially, as I told you, in children, because they are developing their organs, they are developing their neurological system, and they will every year being exposed to this kind of pollution, contamination of the air will affect their development.